Hello student, myself Rinko Maurya, your computer teacher. Today we'll study about the new subject computer. So let's start. Lesson number 1, Machine, a modern marvel. This is the lesson based on machine. So let us see first what is a machine. What is a machine? Tell me student, what is a machine? First, a machine is a man-made thing. Second, it has one or more parts and requires energy to perform any work. Third, machines make our work easy and help us to complete our work faster. Fourth, they do not get tired and save our time. 5. Fifth, machines do not make any mistake. Children, machines help us to do different types of work. All machines have some things in common. First, machines work fast. Second, machines save our time. Third, machines make our work easy. And last, machines cannot work on their own because machines are man-made thing. For example, most machines run on electricity. Children, look at the picture. Washing machine. Washing machines run on electricity. Mixer. Mixer runs on electricity. Iron. Fan. Table fan. Now next, some machines run on fuel. For example, car, auto rickshaw, truck, aeroplane, scooter, bike. Now next, students, some machines work with human power. For example, children, look at the picture. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a sieving machine. Sieving machines work with human power. Rickshaw, bicycle. Now let us see what is a computer. Children, look at the picture. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a computer. The computer is also a machine. It works on electricity. It works very fast. It can do many things at once. It can store many things like pictures, numbers, videos, video games and more. Now let's move with the parts of it. Student, as we have different parts in our body, in the same way, a computer also has many parts. All these parts work together to do any work in a computer. So, monitor. Monitor is the first part of a computer. Children, look at the picture. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a monitor. It looks like a TV screen. It displays all the information and work which is done inside the computer. You can watch movies and cartoons on the monitor. Now next, CPU. It stands for the Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer and helps in completing different tasks. It is also known as the storehouse of the computer as it stores all the information. It looks like a box. It helps a computer to think and do work. Now next, keyboard. This is a keyboard. Students, you must have seen a mobile, Casio or calculator. Do you find any common in them? Yes, all of them have a keypad with many keys. Each key has a different function. In the same way, a computer has a keyboard with many keys. We use a pencil or a pen to write in our notebook. Similarly, we need a keyboard to type anything on a computer. There are three types of keys on a keyboard: alphabet keys, number keys, special keys. Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are used to type words and sentences. Number keys. The number keys are used to type number. They are marked with 0 to 9. Special keys. Let us learn about special keys which are commonly used. First, spacebar keys, enter keys, backspace keys, caps lock keys. Now next, mouse. Children, all of you must have seen a mouse in and around your house. Let's know about it. A mouse is small in size. It has a tail. It runs very fast. Now let's talk about the computer mouse. Children, look at the picture. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a computer mouse. It is small. It looks like a real mouse. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It has a tail which is fixed to the CPU. Nowadays, we also have wireless mouse. A mouse helps us to draw pictures, select any item on the monitor, play games. Thank you.